Welcome to Wealth Matrix, Money Management, the channel dedicated to making personal finance clear, approachable, and actionable. Here, your journey toward mastering money and building lasting wealth begins with practical guidance for every step. Our content covers everything from budgeting and saving smarter to eliminating debt, generating passive income, and growing assets. We break down financial psychology, exploring the habits that build real wealth, and deliver book breakdowns and proven strategies from leading experts. Dive into real estate, plan for retirement, and learn methods to preserve your wealth for the future. Why subscribe? Every week, we turn complex money topics into straightforward, actionable steps you can use immediately. Our focus is on practical, real-world solutions designed for first-time savers, seasoned investors, and anyone ready to take charge of their financial journey. All our content is grounded in thorough research, expert interviews, and analysis of reputable financial resources. Our goal is to empower you with up-to-date, credible information you can trust, so you're always one step ahead in your financial planning. Your wealth isn't just a goal, it's a system. Subscribe to Wealth Matrix, Money Management, and join a community committed to building financial freedom one step at a time.